The DJI Mini 2 SE is a compact, lightweight drone designed for both beginners and ancients. It features a 12 megapixel camera capable of shooting 2.7K video, providing high quality aerial footage. With a maximum flight time of 31 minutes and a transmission range of up to 10 km, 6.2 miles, it offers excellent performance for its size. The Mini 2 SE also includes intelligent flight modes like quick shots and panorama, making it easy to capture creative shots. Its compact design, weighing only 249 grams, means it doesn't request FAA registration in the US, and it's convenience. And in UK you don't need a flying registration, but you need operation ID. Alright, first we see the controller. They had nice material being used, very high quality plastics. The controller is designed to fit comfortably in your hands. We have speakers here, as you can see, and they have any warning sounds is all came out from here. So the next is the foldable phone holder. This is hold your phone. Also, this is the antenna for the controller. We have a USB-C cable attached to the phone, so you can see the camera view through the phone. You can unscrew the joystick from the controller and store them in the rubber holders at the bottom of the controller. At the top right, this small button allows you to quick switch between the photo and the video modes. In the top left corner is the FN mode button. It allows you to quickly access creation features and the settings on the drone, acting as a shortcut for convenient navigation through the drone's functions. The RTH quick stop button on the controller initiates the return to home function, bringing the drone back to its takeoff point safely, and allows you to immediately hold the drone in an emergency. The power button turns the controller on and off. Press it quickly once, then press and hold it a second time until you hear a beep indicating the controller is on. The middle switch button on the controller has a three function: sport mode, normal mode and the kind mode. This is the best for cinematic footage. I just finished the quick overview of the controller. Now let's take a look at the batteries. So the packages came with two extra batteries. The batteries feature LED indicators that display the remaining power and charging status, making it easy to monitor battery levels. Also, you can use as a phone charger. The batteries are made with the high quality lithium polymer cells that deliver stable power output and enhance the overall reliability of the drone. And here we are, DJI Mini 2 SE drone itself. Gimbal cover and propeller protector, weight just under 249 grams. Removing the propeller cover and unfolding the arms is incredibly easy. This design allows the drone to become expansionally compact, taking up minimal space in your backpack. At the back of the drone there is a compartment for the battery. On the right side you can insert a micro SD card, while on the left side there is the USB port for charging or direct data transfer to your computer. To turn on the same way like a controller. Before you turn on, don't forget take off the gimbal cover. The integrated 3-axis gimbal stabilizes the camera, providing a smooth and steady shoot even in windy conditions. The DJI Mini 2 SE had a 12 megapixel camera capable of recording up to 2.7K video at 30 fps and Full HD video at 60 fps, delivering sharp and smooth footage. That's the end of this video. In the next one, I will be showcase the drone's features. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you like what I'm doing, subscribe to my channel. Bye, see you next time.